Would you like to shop at CNFANS? If so, here's a detailed guide on how to purchase from CNFANS. Firstly, visit iernos@cnfans.com and ensure your account is funded. You'll need to deposit money in your wallet to proceed with shopping. Let's get started by going there and filling up the funds in your account. Once your account is topped up, it's time to move forward with buying. Having completed that step, the next task is to search for products. Put the product link or name into the search, and if it doesn't work, you can go to Google for assistance. For instance, if you're looking to buy an AirShort 4, that's where you could start. The exploration of these products often begins with external search engines when the internal ones aren't sufficient.
After you have your image prepared, you'll upload it to search for all Air Jordan products. The platform will then display the four variants, making shopping at CNFANS straightforward. You'll discover how the process enhances your shopping experience, offering various options. Goodbye and happy shopping at CNFANS.